Hi everyone, I want to show you just a really simple hairstyle. I'm going to use 3 sticks, so I've prepared the hair with curls. I'm going to put these sticks in, one on the right, one on the left, and one on top. Now what I'm going to do with these sticks, I'm going to start looping hair over it. So as I go, I take a section of hair, I loop that one there, take another one, loop that on the top, and I keep on going, and I place these hair pieces just wherever I want, doing them in lots of different ways. Perhaps if I went over, I might go under, and vice versa. Now, once I've got that there, I'm going to take my hairpins, not my hair grips, my pins, and I start pinning this right into the foundation, along the scalp and in towards the ponytail. And I just shape the hair to however I want. Once I've done it, I remove the sticks, and the whole hairstyle starts to look quite beautiful. Look at this now. I mean, as you go, you can keep on pinning and doing what you want, but this is a great hairstyle to add into your collection. And those sticks really work.